Managing customers and leads is one of the most important parts of running a business. Many entrepreneurs struggle with keeping track of conversations, follow up on leads, sending messages, and organizing their sales process. Using many separate tools that can make things confusing and expensive. This is why smart entrepreneurs are turning to GoHighLevel, which combines everything into one powerful platform. In this video, I will explain in a very simple way why GoHighLevel is considered the ultimate CRM for entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose tools without any confusion. If you enjoy the easy explanations of business tools, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. When you use the link from description, you can get the 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel instead of the 14 days. And you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses to get started with GoHighLevel. Now let's get back to the main part of this video and understand why GoHighLevel is such a strong CRM for entrepreneurs. The first reason is all-in-one functionality. Many entrepreneurs use separate apps for email marketing, SMS messaging, appointment scheduling, funnels, and customer tracking. Managing multiple tools can be expensive and time-consuming. GoHighLevel brings all these features into one platform. This saves money, reduces confusion, and keeps all customer information in one place. When everything is connected, business can operate smoothly without missing important details. Another big advantage is automation. GoHighLevel allows entrepreneurs to automate the follow-ups with leads and customers. For example, when someone signs up on landing page, GoHighLevel can automatically send an email or an SMS message or even schedule a call. This ensures that no lead is forgotten and increases the chance of converting them into paying customers. Automation also saves a lot of time, allowing the entrepreneurs to focus on their important tasks. GoHighLevel is also strong in pipeline management. Entrepreneurs can see all their leads, prospects, and customers in a visual pipeline. This helps to know which leads need attention, which deals are moving forward, and which one need follow-up. Having a clear pipeline prevents lost opportunities and keeps the business organized. Another reason GoHighLevel is so useful is communication tracking. All emails, messages, and calls are stored inside the system. Entrepreneurs can see the history of every lead or customer. This is very important because it helps maintain consistent communication and prevents mistakes like sending repeated message or forgetting a follow-up. GoHighLevel also supports client appointment management. You can create the booking pages, let clients choose the available times, and automatically send confirmations and reminders. This not only saves time but also makes your business look professional. Missed appointments become rare and scheduling is much simpler. Another key feature is customizable automation templates. Even beginners can use pre-built templates for marketing campaigns, follow-ups, and appointment workflows. This means you don't need to create everything from scratch. Entrepreneurs can start using the automation quickly and improve it over the time. GoHighLevel is also great for reselling and white label services. Entrepreneurs and agencies can rebrand the platform and offer it as their own software to their clients. This creates a new source of recurring income while using the CRM for their own business. It is a rare feature that makes GoHighLevel unique compared to the other CRMs. Finally, GoHighLevel provides reporting and analytics. Entrepreneurs can track how their campaigns perform, how many leads are generated, and how many leads are closed. With this information, business owners can make smarter decisions and improve their strategy. GoHighLevel is the ultimate CRM because it combines email, SMS, automation, pipelines, appointment management, communication tracking, templates, and analytics into one platform. It saves time, increases efficiency, and helps entrepreneurs grow their business without juggling multiple tools. So that's it basically. I hope now you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand why GoHighLevel is the ultimate CRM for entrepreneurs, then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description to get the special offers from GoHighLevel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.